Hey guys, this is Lisa, back with another video for Lisa Wise Designs, and my next kit is finally here after waiting a few weeks for extra product to get here because you know I'm always adding to it. It's finally done and ready for you, and it's a two-parter. You're gonna get real wooden blocks. You're gonna get all the paper, the cardstock, the tags, the ribbons, everything that you see here. And they coordinate. Isn't this adorable? Of course, I have them laying flat so that you can be able to see it in the camera. But when I display it in the pictures you see, the way I've got it, these is standing up, and then this is kind of behind it where you can kind of see it. So wherever you decide to display it, it kind of goes together. I am so proud of this. This is so out of the ordinary for me, and I haven't seen anything like this out there anywhere. So I'm just excited about it. I hope you are excited about it too when you see it. I want to say a special thank you to my friend Brigitte Giles. She introduced me to the blocks and the happy, and then the other side to this that says Merry Christmas. So I took that and ran with it and made an album to go with it that's also two-sided. That's right, you heard that right. It's two-sided. So when Thanksgiving is over, all you have to do is turn it over and now you've got Christmas. They're individual blocks, so I will probably make a mess trying to turn it over, but I'm gonna try. So when you turn them over, without them all falling, now it says a Merry Christmas, and your album says Merry Christmas. Isn't that cute? Cute, cute, cute. It's two-sided. Okay, so let's go through what you get. There's gonna be two choices. You can get the kit that comes with everything you see here, and my wonderful sister actually cut all these down with her new saw and sanded them super smooth, and she went ahead and stained them. So you're going to get this beautiful stain already. So you're going to get the blocks. You're going to get the words cut out, the Merry and the Christmas, and on the other side, you know, it said Happy Thanksgiving. Those are already cut out for you. I did that on my Cricut. And then you're gonna get to cut out the black backing and the pattern paper, and you get to cut out and put together the matching album that goes with it. And like I said, you can buy it as a physical kit that comes to your house. Everything that you see here will come to you. Now, if you just want to make the album, you can just buy the tutorial, and it's super cheap, and it's also going to be on sale. But anyway, you can just buy the tutorial, download it, and you can make the album with your own stash. Use up your stash, and then of course you don't have to use what I did, but you won't get any of the decorations for this because you know it's just blocks, right? But if you have it in your hand, you're gonna say, this is so cute. There's also gonna be a third option. Maybe you decided, well, I'm gonna put this not on a bookcase or somewhere that's one-sided. I'm gonna put it on my coffee table where you can see all the way around. Well, I'm gonna give you the chance where you can add on or separately just buy a couple of sets of blocks. That way you can put Merry Christmas on both sides, Happy Thanksgiving on both sides, and that way you can still make the album if you want to, and still have your blocks so that all 360 degrees you will see that. Anyway, I hope that makes sense. So I've showed you this. Let's go through the mini album. I put this here. It's so cute. I'm so proud of it, guys. I've been working on it for so long, and I just think it's so unique. So you're going to have a couple of tags on the front that we're going to make together. And this has a little Rudolph, because he does have a red nose, so he is Rudolph, and Santa. Now this reminds me of my childhood, so I wanted to show it prominently on the front. Got a little flap here to put a photo, but then these go back in the front to kind of hold that flap closed. I have to move this a little bit to open. So when you open it here, on the right side you have an envelope, and on the left side you have flip flaps. So when you open the envelope, it's got your Velcro dots, which are included in your kit. And I went ahead and brought the theme into this little page layout with Santa and Rudolph, and Santa over here. And then when we can see Rudolph here, then when we open it up, it's going to be just more of this really cute Frosty type guy. I'm really zoomed in, so I'm going to have to kind of do it this way. Sorry about that. And when you close it back up, it's got all your stickers here, so I show you how to put those together. And then when you open up this, it's got a magnet closure. You open this, then you have places to put 4 photos here on your flaps. Now, I'll tell you, the way I designed this, your photos can go all vertical, all horizontal, or a mix smash like I did it here. So the flaps are sized perfectly. You can put it vertical or horizontal. So if you want to go ahead and plan out, you can. If you don't have to. You can just have your strips here. We'll go through that. Look at this with the little snowman and the ornaments here. Oh, so cute. And then this is a pocket, so we will take a look at everything that comes in your kit. But we're going to make this little mini file folder where we can put photos here. Of course, you could put all photos on all 4 sides of this if you wanted to get more in there. But I wanted to give you a balance to showcase the paper and put photos in there. And then you'll have a large tag where you can put a photo on. This is for 4 wide and 6 tall, so you should have no trouble getting a standard size photo in that one. So cute so far, right? So cute. All right, so then when we turn it over, you're gonna have the same thing, but in fall. So you should be able to take a snapshot, so to speak, or a little sampler of one season, I would think, a few photos from last season or this season, and then you can put it on display. You know, use a handful of photos and then display them. So look at this. So adorable. This has got a little foam tape here. This opens this way. Once again, we make another little file folder here. We can put a photo, or you can put your journaling. This one I did vertical. Another just plain tab. But look how cute this paper is with that bear with the little basket. This owl and a fox. I mean, so cute. It's so, so cute here. And then I just love this little cut apart so much. I just kind of kept it in there, right there, because it says a family together. You can hear that little snap where it's got the magnet, and then on this side I've used Velcro where it says autumn. I'm going to open it up. We're going to layer some stickers together. When you open this, there's that little fox. This is thanks. We can put a photo here, and then on the bottom I use one of the 4x6 cards. You could also put a photo there. So let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You could put 10 photos on each side of this easy if you did not want to use those 4x6 cards. So like I say, it's just going to kind of be a snapshot of your year or your last year. I hope you love it, guys. I absolutely love it. This is what it kind of looks like on the side. So all the information that you will need will be on my Etsy shop, and that is linked below. And for the first week, they're going to be 10% off. 10% off. Well, let me show you what all comes in your kit. This is kit option number 1. This is just mine, so they're just kind of floating around in there, but they'll be packaged a little better for you. So this is the one that I'm going to start working on this week again. So then there's your 1, 2, 3, there's your 6 pieces of your wooden blocks. Then you're going to have your goodie bag. Let's see what all is in here. Come out. So be careful. You've got these small magnets here. There's 4 of those. Then you've got 4 colors of ribbons. This one's kind of a straw colored along with a green, and this is kind of an apricot color, and this is a red, but it's more like a burgundy-ish color up there. You're gonna get some small tags, some medium tags, and some larger tags. Oh, put that here where you can actually see it here. So you're gonna get 6 tags in 3 sizes. I'm not gonna open this. This inside, says my set, this inside has got the Merry Christmas and Happy Thanksgiving letters in it from the Cricut. So you can see it's kind of sandwiched in there to try and, you know, keep this from getting damaged in shipment. I've also got my Velcro dots, and I've got some little black bling here. You've got 4x6 cards in case you want to hold your spot for photos if you're giving it as a gift. You've got some foam tape. As always, you've got your cutting guide that goes all the way through it, step by step, full color instructions, and lots of photos on how mine was decorated in case you want to duplicate that. And then on the back, it tells you on the back 2 pages how to do the blocks, how I cut them out, how I arranged it, what papers I chose, and how to put them together here. So nice color photos there on the back. There's a couple of templates in here. This is the envelope flap and the envelope flap mat. So I drew those out for you. So you can just cut them out and use them as templates. And then this template is the mini file folder one. So you're gonna cut this one out and we're gonna make, you know, those two that you saw. We're gonna cut them from black or either pattern paper, whatever you have left or want to do. Then you've got plenty of black cardstock. I've got that for you, counted out. Oh, there's another foam. So look how cute. Let me kind of get this right in the right spot here, but look how cute this is. This is called Fall in the Air by Echo Park. So you can kind of see the patterns a little here. Here is the sticker sheet. You get a half a sheet of this plus another whole one because we needed a little more of that one. Look at this. So cute. In the back. And here's your 4x6 cut apart. You can see I use a few of these real prominently in my album. Love that. And then this one has got your fall leaves. So you get plenty of paper. All this is still in the fall set, and that's really pretty. I want to say you get 8 sheets of the fall, and I think you get 8 sheets of Christmas, and then both of them have coordinating stickers. Oh, there's that other sheet there. So, oh, here starts the Christmas. Isn't this cute? We use up a lot of stickers. Love. And then snowman. Look at these dots and these stars are so pretty. There is a lot to look at here. And you, of course, you'll get to see a lot more in depth as we go through and make the album together. This is kind of hard to see in the sunlight here, but it's red and white, like candy stripe. Oh, isn't that pretty? I really wanted to use this one. I don't know that I worked that one in there, but I loved all of these in that wood grain. And this is really pretty. It says cheer and joy and Happy New Year and have a holly jolly and the most wonderful time of the year. It's all kind of really pretty Christmas sayings. And then the holly with the berries, the red, Santa, really gorgeous stripe, and then Rudolph paper. Isn't that cute? So cute. And then this almost looks like lollipops, the red and white stripes. So this paper is beautiful, coordinating, and you can kind of gear this more toward children, or you can kind of shy away from those papers and gear it more toward adults. But you know, I've always thought Christmas is for kids, whether you have children or you don't. It's childlike wonder, and I always remember watching Rudolph and Santa Claus growing up, and it just brings back so many memories. So I don't know that I'll put children's photos in here or just my regular family photos in here, but I still think it is really cool. One more chance to look here. Isn't this cute? So cute. It really is a simple design, but so cute. I just love it. And I love that you can display it together along with the blocks to make a really cute statement inside your house. So it's a home decor piece for sure. And the way I have mine set up, I have this plastic, like this little acrylic piece that I'm going to stand mine here, and then I'm going to put, oh, if I can keep my blocks together, keep mine like this kind of in front, so when you look at it straight on, it kind of looks like this. But of course I would pull it out a little further so it wouldn't block out so much of my album. But it's kind of hard to show you that in the video. So if you have any questions, let me know. And like I said, on my Etsy shop right now, you will find this kit. Oh, I didn't show you the other kit. I'm so sorry. I almost messed up. So this is kit number 1, where you can make the mini album in one set of blocks. Gotta put this here. Don't lose it. This is my kit. Make sure I don't lose anything there. And the second set, like I said, if you wanted more blocks, or if you wanted just 2 sets of blocks because you wanted to put Christmas on both sides and then Thanksgiving on both sides, I'm giving you the option to just get the blocks, and it comes along with 4 sheets of the fall Thanksgiving paper and 4 sheets of the Christmas, and you still get all the stickers, even though you're only going to use a couple of stickers. But you'll have plenty left over to make some cards with if you want to. And you get the black bling, and like in here again, you get 2 sets of the Merry Christmas and the Happy Thanksgiving. And so here you can see you're going to get a sheet of that cutting guide of how to put those blocks together. And I'll try to give you a close-up, like I said, they don't fall apart, are the blocks here. You can see here on the bottom that one piece of black bling is kind of holding a couple of those stickers together. And let me turn it this way. Put some pressure on it, hold it back up with the Thanksgiving. You can kind of see down here, I put a couple of stickers and that black bling. So, didn't want to leave you out, wanted to make sure you got those. So anyway, there's 3 options. You can get the one with the mini album and the 1 set of blocks, or you can get 2 sets of blocks with everything you need to put the blocks together. Or if you just want to make the mini album, you can buy the tutorial and use your own supplies to do that. So, let me give you the code for the sale. One second. There we go. So this is my Etsy shop, Lisa Wise Designs. It's linked below. The coupon code is August 2020, AUG 2020. You get 10% off. Now that includes this kit, the new kits, anything that's already on sale, and all the tutorials. Basically anything in my shop now through the 23rd of August 2020 is 10% off if you plug this code in. Now I'm going to be doing a separate video that's going to show you all the kits that I have in stock, what I've got left. I have a handful of this and a handful of that, so I'm going to put that in a separate video. Those will also be 10% off, and they're on sale. I need to get rid of those out of my garage and put all these new ones in there. So my loss is your gain. Thank you guys so much for the support you have given me so far. I really have enjoyed this. It's just a little time consuming. It took me, like I said, 2 or 3 extra weeks longer than I thought to get my supplies in and to get this all ready for you. Anyway, if you decide to make this and you specialize it, which I want you to take this and make it your own. Choose your own papers, do your own thing. Or if you make it just like mine and don't personalize it, I still want to see copies of it. Go on over to our, I've been talking too long. Go on over to my Facebook group, Lisa Wise Designs, and post some photos there. We would love to see it. As always, thank you guys. Bye.